What up, peeps? Welcome to another episode of Next Friday. This week, we are joined by Qraig of Voicemail.
That's what I
What up, fam? Qraig with a Q.
Well, I hear that.
What up? What up, fam?
Damn.
All right. Well, we talk about some of the new stuff we are working on now. What's popping?
Holy, you know. Well, right now we have a video out called Just Stop, produced by Ramesh Entertainment, and I have another song out now called Knocky Ball. That's on the Damage Rhythm produced by Mystic Music. Those are two of the many new stuff.
Alright. Well, give our viewers, an idea of what the inspiration or the motivation was behind writing these songs, coming up with these new singles.
Just Stop, which is the most talked about one in terms of like, I said it go on, and it's like the concept is pretty much in a relationship with a girl and her best friend pushing on you. Yeah, but you don't know that.
Mm-hmm.
It never work out. The relationship never work out. So now you're the best friend of life and enough together.
Yeah.
So the girl that you was with before, she wants you back now. And only because you're with the best friend. Some would have said,
we hear them
you forgot that
stuff.
stuff. You know what I mean? And how that could go on and how you have to deal with our friend and all them things. But you know the thing or something.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean? So I decided to write some music about it. I mean, it happened to me, but that was the story and the concept. Won't call the name of the friend that got through that.
Can't do that.
But that was the vibe, and I think it was a nice idea to write about. So write about that. It's called Just Stop. That's what it's by Ramesh. Knockings now is pretty much a whole vibe. They are big hearted. Chris, Major, Adrenaline, Suko, and the whole big yard family.
Yeah, man.
So me hear them I say, yo, you knock your ball, Qraig? I say, what do you mean? I say, yeah, drink. I say, oh no. You know what I mean? So the concept behind that was just easy. You know what I mean? So when you hear if you can't dribble, if you can't drink, nobody knock the ball. If you can't drink, nobody trouble the liquor. You know what I mean? And that type of vibe. So it was just fun. And as I said, we just have some fun in the music right now.
Yeah.
So that's basically the basic concept behind Knocky Ball.
Alright. So basically, it's not geared towards a specific target, and it's a fun vibe.
It's just a fun vibe. I love football, you know what I mean? So all of the ball of them. So one of my friends linked me said, boy, I love the song, Qraig, but that's just one problem I have, Jack Bannon good. Fuck Bannon good. And I said, I like the two ball of them. But as I say, I just fun. You know what I mean? And as I say, me who love football, it was a nice vibe. So the spin on it is fun.
Right. Alright, so those are the two songs they have out now currently.
Well, I have that out. I still have Black Magic doing extremely well. Feel like.
Mm-hmm.
And also other new song that is out. We just come out doing extremely well. By Adjust the Vibe. It's called I Know.
Okay.
You know what I mean? And the bubblers, the hit songs them like Outside Me There, Submissive, Trust the Process, Touch,
Well, it's a whole album in mouth. Ready up.
Yeah, man.
So tell fans, remind them where they can find some of your music.
Well, I mean, anyway,
all the progress.
Any digital platform.
All digital platform.
From Spotify to Google to Tidal, all of the digital platform them, all the digital outlet them. You know what I mean? Qraig Voicemail. And the Qraig spell with a Q, so.
Remember that.
Yeah.
Alright, well, right now I want to kind of just give some of your fans a little touch of two of the song them.
Yeah.
You have to chat them.
Hold on there.
We're in the studio now, so we couldn't come and not, give you guys a taste of a little live performance from Qraig Voicemail.
Alright, we can knock the ball first.
Alright, so Knocky Ball is up first.
All the volume. Volume alright?
Yeah? Good.
So that one produced by Suko, yeah? Damage with him. Hey, but that done them, no skiller done them. But that done them, yes, killer done them. Say if you can't drink, glow it, Alright, sure. knocky bad. Say man I got them not nothing at all, no. Knocky bad. The way we tables stack up them I feel like the bar, yeah. Knocky bad. So if you can't dribble, nobody go knocky bad, no. Knocky bad, no. Say them a knocky them not nothing at all. Aye, chill with me liquor like Zidane. Anywhere me go, me have my cup in a me hand. Some say them a messy, trust me now, them a jag back. Them not ready for the game, yeah. Them not pack back. Aye, anywhere me go, me have rum. Buckle can't done. Table poacher, love me any, not touch none. That game ya we knock you down straight and not ground. After you can, knocky bad. Chop, them a not go, them not nothing at all, no. Knocky bad. The way we table stack up, them a fi knocky bad, yeah. Knocky bad. So you can't dribble, nobody go knocky bad, no. Knocky bad, yeah man, knocky bad. If you can't dribble out, yeah.
Alright. Jump it. Yeah.
So that's knocky bad.
Right.
And the damage rhythm produced by Superquad. Yes, so hold on then now.
And the next one now, remind us.
Next
this
one is Just Stop.
Just Stop.
Just stop.
Alright. So we're all a vibe. So that one I call Just Stop, produced by Ramesh Entertainment.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, Ramesh. Doing extremely awesome things in dancehall. So me and the ladies them a far now. Yeah? So listen to the mix up. Sure.
Baby girl, just stop. What make you want some? What make you want some? You had your chance, you never make you submit. I know you're telling me what to do. Me and you know that again. You have a problem, true, me in love again. You want tell me this wrong, but my feelings me up so strong. Yeah. See, trouble never say like Qraig. Never pay attention, I know things change. Missy said that you up in your feelings. You not get the look, I know you're ready for the real thing. You want my little fight, me fight for you. You never appreciate all of it all. So you better act like me, ever make life more special for you. Just stop. What make you want so? What make you want so? You want the chance, you never make you submit. I know you're telling me what to do. Me sing me and you know that again. You have a problem, true, me in love again. You want tell me this wrong, but my feelings we are not wrong.
That's Just Stop.
Mad.
So that's one of the things when we learn about music.
Yeah.
When you talk about drama, people love to hear drama. Whether man or woman.
Drama mix up.
Yeah, drama mix up. So I think it was a nice idea for go that route there and for write or something like that, because it might sound weird, but you have people go through that. See me I say? So that was Just Stop out now on all digital platforms. Yeah.
And it's good when people can identify with the story, the message behind the song.
Sure.
Enough man out there can identify with that. A lot of women out there can identify with that.
Yeah, but see.
It's life, Yeah, cool. Alright. Freely speaking now, Qraig. Just want to take a minute to say whatever is on your mind as it relates to music and things that impact the music industry, whether positively or negatively.
Alright, what we can speak about now, I say, I have a minute.
Yeah,
basically, me personally, always, one of the things I miss in dancehall is when you have a group of artists all that go to an event, like you pull up and we say, yo, Teino, you know, so we go for, say for instance, we go for Immaculate. And I say, yeah, forward now. And you have 3, 4, 5, and 6 different artists we just carpool go there. Just to see that alone, that coalition of different entertainers just pulling on one event, people going want to know what go on now and what go on. Just that alone and the excitement. You know what I mean? That's one of the things I'm loving a dancehall I'm miss. Next thing I'm miss, we have a thing we call Bam Rush. Even though the show not go on now. You know what I mean? That is one of the things I'm also miss where artists we can call and say, yeah man, you know me did this and next artist I perform and then as you look the next artist walk out with the people and want. You know what I mean? So I said all of that to say the unification of dancehall is not there anymore, in my opinion. You know what I mean? Where if a man feel like the artist is on that project, him not go on it because the artist set up on that project there. When before, if the artist set up on that project there, you would have been excited to be a part of it because you know, say, the drama and the joy and the competition, that are just hot. You know what I mean? So, me miss where artists can collectively come together and just create. You know what I mean? I've traveled so many different places across the world and see other cultures, other genres do it.
Right.
You know what I mean? Do a song and say, yo, you know, say that song I fit Teino. Yo, Teino, you know, me email you something free.
Check it, yeah.
That now go on no more. You know what I mean? So those are little things that me would have loved to see. It might sound like a long shot even though with the whole pandemic and nothing show and nothing going on. I think there's still creative ways there how you can appeal to your fan and the audience. So me personally just miss the unification. Creating together is just one or something. I miss that.
Yeah, man. Bring back the good old days, you know, dancehall, the vibe, you know, the energy, stage show.
Yeah, and even if you don't bring back all, like, just find ways how we can,
Right.
you know, use piece from that and we do what going on because that's all about.
And the fans will enjoy it more.
Of course,
Patients,
them
you know,
right
get
in
more
for.
of it. Right. Qraig, the vibe was good, man.
Yeah, my respect for that.
Yeah,
And here what,
tell them.
as I say, all the music out now on all digital platforms. So Qraig with a Q and it's Qraig Voicemail. See me I say, all of the stuff them there. Find me anywhere, man. Google me, Qraig Voicemail. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Yeah.
Alright. So there you have it. This is Teino Evans Media signing out until next Friday. Check the previews on Instagram at Teino_Evans_media. And also, go and go follow the YouTube channel, man. Subscribe, like
Yeah,
thing
yeah.
at Teino Evans Media. Where you see the full interview, alright? Check it. Go better. Give me up.